Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering essentials: the Shortcut Maker app, permission to modify the home screen, and a clear target to link. Open the app and select your target type, app, activity, file, or URL, because each uses a different backend call. Once done, tap the Create or Plus button. Make sure to pick the correct package or file path. This first step prevents wrong links and saves time later, since mistargeting is the most common early error. Now you build the shortcut itself. Select an icon, built-in, gallery image, or adaptive SVG, because visuals help recognition. Then edit the label and configure intent flags or launch options to control behavior. These determine whether the target opens as a new task or resumes. Once configured, use the preview or test button to fire the intent and confirm it lands on the expected screen. If it fails, backtrack to package and activity selection. Small typo. Finish by placing the shortcut on your home screen or saving it inside the app for reuse. After placement, verify persistence by restarting your device or using the app's backup feature. Some launchers clear custom shortcuts on reboot. If the shortcut fails to open, recheck the package name, activity path, and required permissions. These are the usual culprits. As a quick fix, recreate using the app's built-in chooser rather than manual entry, and then retest to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.